If I was a brand with under $1,000 a month to use for my marketing budget, this is a strategy that I will use that nobody is talking about. Alongside your organic content posting, where you're building up your organic sales as well, once you get to a point to where you're processing 10, 20 sales a week, you can start looking into launching something like a catalog sales campaign where you only got to run it for $5, $10, $15 a day sometimes, which retargets everybody that's been on your website and specifically shows them the products that they clicked on and checked out. And on a catalog sales campaign, you really want to focus on retargeting. Create 2 different ad sets, 3 if you want to. One audience is 7 to 14 days of people who viewed a product or added to the cart but didn't purchase. The second one is within 30 days, and the third one is within 180 days. It's really the only advertising that you need to run when you're just starting up. The longer catalog sales campaigns run, the better they usually work out. But not every ads manager likes catalog sales campaigns, so you just got to test it for yourself. If you have any questions you want me to answer, please put them in the comments, and I'll definitely make a lot more content around this subject. Test some of those strategies out. Let's graduate that bag.